back to Nivin Maniraj Talks. Today I'm going to talk about what is solar panel and how to do a solar alarm. Let's start with what is solar panel. It is cost effective energy. That means it reduces the electricity bill. While installing the solar panel, it costs high. It reduces pollution and electricity bills. It generates electricity through photovoltaic effect. It is made up of silicon and glass. When this material is exposed to photons of sunlight, it releases electrons and produces electric charge. Now let's see how to do a solar alarm. The material is liquid, a solar panel. Red wire of the solar panel is positive terminal. The black wire of the solar panel is negative terminal. Next, the buzzer. The same like the solar panel. The red wire is the positive terminal and black wire is the negative terminal. Next, the switch. Now take the solar panel. Take the positive terminal of the solar panel, that is the red wire, and connect it with the one end of the switch. Next, take the positive terminal of the buzzer, that is the red wire, and connect it to the other end of the switch. Next, take the negative terminal of the solar panel and connect it to the negative terminal of the buzzer, that is black wire. Now you can hear the noise. This is only solar alarm. Thank you guys. I think this is helpful for you. Another day, another video. Bye.